Hello traders, in front of you Alpha Fibonacci system on extremely important retail chart that intelligent day trader prepares well before market open, knowing far in advance. Bearish correction in a play, price is struggling at key Alpha Fibonacci level 2, the tick. This is identical level that was in a play right before major news. As I will convert this chart to any chart I choose. You decide the chart you choose to trade. Historical high, bearish correction in a play. Reminds you, after major news, critical shorts played out. This is software for NinjaTrader 8 projected on 3-minute chart. Trades played out on multiple charts. I choose to project software on any chart, in this example 3-minute. What is extremely powerful and why system and software traded globally on all instruments? Simplicity is key. It's a red zone. Rules are met, take a trade. And remember, when the bold green zone is present, exit your short and monitor for reversal. This was exactly discussion with my students pre-market. Identical rules apply on all instruments, all time frames, all platforms. So where buyers step in, absolutely no surprise. Choose a tick on every chart. I convert this chart to 5, to 3, to 1, to any chart. Bullish move in a progress. Intelligent trader knew this far in advance. This identical level in a play. This identical level next on institutional chart. But what is so important? What is playing out currently on software to the tick? The very narrow trading range, the retail pain. How you pass this test is everything. With a single glimpse each morning, if you're trading NinjaTrader 8, you know that on every chart. You understand where pain coming from, and you understand the extremely important moment to the upside. This is strategic, precise Alpha Fibonacci chess on retail chart. But why is this chart so important? This is a chart intelligent trader writes to the upside. This is a chart that holds billions and trillions of dollars reflecting US market. This is a chart where you knew many months in advance that despite catastrophic crisis in the Middle East, this is a place to buy from, not to short into. October 30th, billions of dollars start buying US market. This is critical key 4200 level on institutional chart, where billions of dollars have orders preset. This is identical level in a play this morning on retail chart, on every single time frame. The point I'm trying to make to those of you who joining us soon, you make a personal decision. Do you want to trade 5, 10, 15? Do you want to trade range or tick charts? This is the reason trading room open, so you can see to the tick precision of the system. No software on this chart, only proprietary strategies, proprietary levels inserted. I am converting this chart to 1. All discussions in institutional class next. Vicious bullish rally continues from identical level that played out on institutional chart since the end of October. First week in November, vicious buying is on. Currently market 1000 points later will be testing historical 5400 level. So when you're riding institutional rally and you understand the power of this, the skies are the limit. You're using your limitless brain and trading market with institutions, not against them. You understand exact same Warren Buffetts of the world and Murdochs of the world who placing catastrophic news on front page are greedy when others are fearful. This is a lesson of the current global events. This is a lesson on key institutional rally I will be dissecting with my brilliant intelligent students in institutional class next. So when you're witnessing this precise alpha Fibonacci chess on any chart you choose to trade, you start understanding clearly, as I recognized in 2004, every single chart, every single instrument is exactly the same. You make a personal decision. If you want to trade Apple, if you want to trade Amazon, or if you want to trade gold, which one are you? If day trading not for you and you want to trade euro, of course you can. Has anyone seen spectacular events in Europe? How come such spectacular bullish rally played out? One of our students took advantage of euro collapsing and bought home in South France, leaving Saudi Arabia, and he is ecstatic, and Jamal is my dearest friend for life. So day trading is not for you, and you cannot pass psychological tests and trading markets with ultimate precision on any chart. When it comes to retail trading micro charts, use system long term. Identical strategies apply. Euro will be testing 1009 next. This is lifeline on euro. 105 is out, 104 to follow. 104 is out, euro in free fall. This is critical key events on euro you are witnessing now. But you also understand it's not about Forex, it's about every instrument. You are drastically smarter than some top losers on the Wall Street that were exiting long position in Nvidia. Have you seen the story of Cathie Woods, one of the top Wall Street managers? How much she lost on Nvidia? We're laughing with my students in classes as my intelligent traders buying Nvidia at the bottom, riding Nvidia from 109 until 900 level. Nvidia is not selling off. 779 lifeline on Nvidia. So as S&P reminds you, when you're using your limitless brain, you do not short into green zone. When you're using your limitless brain, you're understanding the power of riding markets with institutions. Shorts pre-market after major news. So this is a stunning lesson why our students on the East Coast, our European students, are ecstatic. Most of the trades playing out pre-market because major news pre-market non-stop, reminding you, hand-holding never recipe for success. Top funds opening offices in London, Paris, Dubai. Most of the news pre-market in US. So when you're using your limitless brain and you understand how to trade this, you trade with ultimate precision and your trading day is done. And again, if day trading is not for you, look at the charts once an hour. Look at the charts once a day, once a week, once a month, as I'm dissecting multiple charts and reminding you. Safe haven doesn't lie in Amazon or Warren Buffett's of the world. Safe haven lies in you and your limitless brain. As proven by children of hedge fund traders who trade this. It is always an ultimate honor when fathers bring in their children to the course. And when 14-year-old Dominic accomplished this, being bored during crisis, so can you. Listen to Father and Son podcast. Absolute honor to see this. Father trading entirely different instruments, multi-million-dollar retirement accounts. Son chooses to day trade. After a couple of classes, accomplishing this. This is what Dominic trades on Dow and S&P when bored. But every single trader trades the instrument appropriate for him and her account. So is everyone clear what's playing out in front of you? Yes, there is nothing else this morning. Retail correction only. Bearish move pre-market reversing from critical key target. This is chop. There is nothing else that's present. That's it. So Ken made movie about Fibonacci Trading Institute. You can see posted on our homepage. This is the card Ken's daughter gave me in London. It's a family affair. It's an honor. And the reason I live and breathe what I do and keep waking up 5 o'clock in the morning for the last 13 years to teach to my traders what I built, what I develop. You simply have to make an effort and you can trade any instrument you choose. Choice absolutely yours. So this is extremely important statement from Tom, private mentoring student in New Zealand. Currently I work with private mentoring students New Zealand, Japan, South Africa, North Carolina, Texas, New York. Every single one of the students trades different instruments. What is this email so extremely powerful? It shows it's not Tom's fault. He simply wasted 17 years trading wrong systems. He simply had been cluttering his mind and struggling for years. Not anymore. Now Tom is on the right path. And when Ken shares this, traders tell me this for the last 13 years. All you have to do, make an effort, and the skies are the limit, as proven by legend. When Brad came to the course, he was making $10 an hour working at Best Buy. This is ultimate performance by legend who made phenomenal effort. The skies are the limit if you make an effort and identify the instrument appropriate for you. And it all starts with simplicity and purity. If Brad can, Tom can do this, so can you. There is nothing else, only this is present. That's it. So this is a tragedy of Wall Street. She remains interesting after losing this. Ouch. Exiting Nvidia at alpha Fibonacci buy point. It's easy to lose someone else's money. So when you're using your limitless brain and you're ready to trade much better than top Wall Street managers, I look forward working with you. I teach you system I taught to JP Morgan traders. So view the movie on Fibonacci Trading website, on Fibonacci Trading Institute website, and view the webinar Why Alpha Fibonacci is the Ultimate Way to Trade. And review that this is proprietary system, traded globally on all instruments, all time frames, all platforms, traders from beginner to hedge fund manager. So when you join us, you trade predictive proprietary system on all instruments, all time frames, all platforms, MT4, MT5, TradeStation, TradingView, Interactive Brokers, Infinity, whatever platform you choose to trade, Fidelity, Thinkorswim, choice is yours. But if you choose to day trade future, Alpha Fibonacci software for Ninja 8 available to you with multi-market scanner and trade recognition software. This is how software would display on your chart. And again, If you decide to day trade futures and trade other instruments, of course you can, as proven by traders all over the world. So view students' emails from all over the world and understand. If Theo can trade futures and Forex in Australia and come to classes 2 o'clock in the morning to share his journey because he cares about humanity. If Emmanuel bringing his wife to the course and they both full-time traders. If Carlton keeps bringing his friends to the course, Ken, my dearest friend for life, Richard, David, retired trading the system, listen to Father and Son podcast, listen to traders all over the world, view students' reviews, and choose the option appropriate for you. Private mentoring will forever be the most desirable option. It includes group course, video library, modules, trading room in every package. Group course option 2, savings $5,000. Private mentoring savings 8,000 plus. If you are not on Ninja Trader 8, option 1 and 3 appropriate for you. So please review all on the website. Do not hesitate to contact me. US +1 925 257 4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. S&P remains stock. Reminding you, when you trade markets as intelligent alpha Fibonacci chess, the sky's the limit, even during the most brutal market conditions. Ultimate test passed well before market open. We knew this before with a single glimpse. And you can trade all instruments, all time frames, with identical strategies. You choose. Choice absolutely yours, what you decide to trade.